Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we solved a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when the dimension of two sides and the size of one interior angle is given to you. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle PQR such that the side PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeters, the side PR is equal to 6.5 centimeters, and the angle QPR is equal to 120 degrees. So we have been given two sides, the side PQ and the side PR, and we have been given one interior angle, angle QPR. We have learned from the previous videos that when you are given two sides and one interior angle, you will have to select one of the two sides as the base, and the side you select as the base depends on the point on which the angle falls. The angle given to us is angle QPR. It means that the angle is on the point P. So we will select a side that has the point P in it. But when we look at the sides that have been given to us, both of them have the point P in it. What this means is that we can select any one of them as the base. So we can use PQ as the base, and we can also use PR as the base because both of them have the point P in it. I'm going to use PR as the base in this video. So to begin, we will draw a horizontal line that is 6.5 centimeters long since the side PR is 6.5 centimeters. After that, we will have to draw angle QPR, which is 120 degrees. So we are going to draw a 120 degrees angle on point P. We have learned how to do this in the previous videos. So to draw a 120 degrees angle at point P, you put the needle of the compass on point P and open to a reasonable radius. Then you draw a semicircle on the line PR using the point P as the center. After that, using the same radius that you used to draw the semicircle, you put the needle of the compass on this point and you construct an arc to intersect the semicircle. The total angle formed by the semicircle is 180 degrees. We have learned from the previous videos that the angle between this point and this point is 60 degrees. So it means that the angle between this point and this point will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees. So if we draw a straight line to join this point to point P, the angle formed here will be 120 degrees. So we have our 120 degrees angle on point P. We have point P here and point R. The question tells us that PQ is 5.5 centimeters. So to get the exact position of the point Q, you take your compass and you measure 5.5 centimeters on the ruler. Then you put the needle of the compass on point P and construct an arc to intersect the line. The point of intersection of the arc and the line will give us point Q. The length of the side PQ is 5.5 centimeters. To get the side QR, you draw a straight line to join point Q to point R. So this is how we are going to go about the construction. Now, let's do the actual construction. As I said in the previous slide, I'm going to use the side PR as the base. So first, we will take the ruler and draw a long horizontal line. After that, we will take the compass and measure 6.5 centimeters. The scale on my ruler is in millimeters, so 6.5 centimeters will be 65 millimeters on my ruler. So I'll measure 6.5 centimeters, which is the same as 65 millimeters on my ruler. After that, you transfer it onto the line. I'll put the needle of the compass on this point, then I'll turn it and construct an arc to intersect the line. After that, I'll put the needle of the compass on this point here, then I'll turn it and construct another arc to intersect the line, just as I've done here. I'm going to clean this part of the arc and this part also. This is point P and this is point R. The length of the side PR is 6.5 centimeters. So we are now done with the base. We are going to construct angle QPR, which is 120 degrees. So to do that, you put the needle of the compass on point P. Then after that, you adjust the compass a little bit. You adjust the compass. Now after doing that, you turn it and construct a semicircle on the line PR using the point P at the center. After that, with the same radius we used to construct the semicircle, we will move the needle of the compass to this point, we will turn it and construct an arc to intersect the semicircle. As we saw in the previous slide, the angle between this point and this point is 60 degrees, and the angle between this point and this point is 120 degrees. So to get our 120 degrees angle at point P, we will draw a straight line to join this point to point P. Joining this point to point P gives us the 120 degrees angle at point P. So we can say that the angle formed here is 120 degrees. We have point P here and we have point R here, and angle QPR is 120 degrees. We have been told that the side PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeters. So we will measure 5.5 centimeters on the ruler using our compass. So you put the needle of the compass on 0 and you stretch the side holding the pencil to 5.5 centimeters, which will be 55 millimeters on my ruler. So you measure 5.5 centimeters. Then after that, you move the needle of the compass to point P. Then you turn it and construct an arc to intersect the line. The point of intersection of the arc and the line will give us point Q. So it means that this point here is point Q. We have point P here, we have point R here, and we have point Q here. The length of the side PQ is 5.5 centimeters. To get the side QR, we will draw a straight line to join point Q to point R. So we have been able to construct the triangle PQR such that the side PR is 6.5 centimeters, the side PQ is 5.5 centimeters, and angle QPR is 120 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In this video, we solved a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when the dimension of two sides and the size of one interior angle is given to you. In the next video, we are going to solve a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when the dimension of one side and the sizes of two interior angles is given to you. Bye-bye.